Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to remove Activate Windows 10 watermark. Now you might want to do this because you don't want to see any of that down here. So here's a quick and easy way to do this. First thing we need to do is to look for our Windows button and then search for CMD. This will bring up command prompt and we can right click on it and run as administrator. Then you're going to grant any permissions needed and then we're going to have the command prompt window. Next, we're going to type in an important command which will help us to remove the Activate Windows down on the right side of our screen. So what we have right here is bc edit space hyphen set space test signing space off. You want to notice that the test signing and the off are all capital letters. We will be putting this in the description below so you can copy and paste it to make it easier. Now when you press enter on this, and it acknowledges that it's been successful, you can restart your computer and that will be gone after that. Remember, this doesn't activate your Windows, it just simply removes it. So this is how to remove Activate Windows 10 watermark.